Alright folks, are you ready to unlock the full potential of Excel? With just a few tips and tricks, you can master Excel like a pro. First up, let's talk shortcuts. Did you know that using keyboard shortcuts can save you hours of time? For example, pressing Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste can speed up your workflow immensely. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Next, let's dive into formulas. Learning how to use basic functions like sum, average, and VLOOKUP will elevate your data analysis skills. These formulas can help you make sense of large data sets in no time. Imagine slicing through mountains of data with the precision of a pro. It's easier than you think. Don't forget about pivot tables. They are powerful tools that allow you to summarize and analyze your data easily. With just a few clicks, you can create meaningful reports that stand out. It's like having a magic wand for your data. Your boss will be impressed, guaranteed. Visualizing your data is crucial. Learn how to create charts and graphs to present your findings clearly and effectively. A well-designed chart can tell a story that raw data alone cannot. Plus, it makes your work look extra professional. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you use Excel, the more comfortable you'll become. Try out new features, experiment with your spreadsheets, and don't hesitate to seek out online tutorials for additional help. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.